Are you tired of playing? Sometimes I even think I'm your babysitter. It's so... Now I have to look after him. I'm too tired to play with it all day today.
Very nice. Yeah. Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah. Oh.
Can you stop barking? I'm in so much trouble. Don't blame me when I cry. Where is this girl's mother? Take her somewhere else immediately, where I'm sleeping. It's rare to see these two people getting along and sleeping together. As a companion since childhood, we cherish these precious moments. Your hair is so dirty. Let me wash it for you. Give me a kiss, then I'll go to sleep right away and won't bother you anymore.
Just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will give.
This baby cries so much. Can we take him away? Every day is the same.
Cô có muốn nhận nuôi con mèo dễ thương này không?
Nhìn kỹ thì nó cũng không có dễ thương lắm ha.
Không phải đâu cô ơi, cô cứ yên tâm đi. Con này chỉ là mẫu thôi, còn một con dễ thương hơn nhiều.
Thiệt như vậy sao? Thôi đem đi. Xin lỗi con, nhưng mà cô không có thích nuôi mèo đâu.
What you gonna do? Hey.